Hi, I'm Sid Northup. Let's talk about the best practices for pneumatic spraying with Marabu ClearShield. ClearShield is an excellent protective coating for your prints, but achieving the best results require the right techniques. Let's dive into the steps to ensure a smooth, professional finish every time. The first step is preparing your workspace. You'll want a clean, dust-free environment with good ventilation. Dust and debris can ruin your finish, so let's make sure the area is tidy and free of contaminants. It's also a good idea to wear personal protective equipment like gloves, goggles, and a respirator to stay safe during the spraying process. Next, properly hand mix your Marabu ClearShield product. Do not shake the container. Hand mixing it thoroughly before use ensures that the contents are evenly blended. Pour it then into the spray gun's reservoir, making sure you do not overfill it. If you use a thicker version of ClearShield, you may need to dilute it slightly with distilled water. Note that diluting ClearShield, you will take away from its effectiveness. Check with a Marabu tech engineer for product recommendations for the ideal mixing ratio. Now, it's time to adjust your spray gun. Set your air pressure at around 40 psi for a smooth, consistent application. You'll always want to use a 1.4 to 1.6 nozzle head to create a fine mist rather than heavy droplets. Always do a test spray on a scrap material to ensure your settings are correct before moving to the actual print. When spraying, maintain a consistent distance of about 8 to 12 inches from the surface, using smooth, even passes, overlapping each pass by about 50% to avoid streaks or missing areas. Keep the spray gun moving at a steady pace. Stopping in one area for too long can result in pooling or an uneven finish. Once your print is coated, allow it to cure according to the product instructions. This typically takes about 24 hours for a full cure, though it may feel dry to touch much sooner. After you're done, clean your spray gun immediately. Run hot water or water-based cleaning solution through the gun to prevent the ClearShield product from hardening and clogging your equipment. Following these steps will help you achieve a professional finish that protects and enhances your prints. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please visit marabucoatings.com or feel free to reach out to us at 888-893-4668. See you next time.